Hello, here's how to make those molded meals you see everywhere these days. If kids can make sandcastles at the beach, you too can mold your rice and other meals the same way. It's so easy. You can get many different shapes using the cooking utensils you already have at home. I'll be using jollof rice for this demo. Scoop the rice into the mold like this. Press it down very well so that it is compact. This technique is the same for all other meals: fried rice, semolina, fufu, pounded yam, beans, name it. When full, gently remove the shape and ta-da! The same technique applies to every other shape. Remember, press down till compact, else everything will come tumbling down like a house of cards when you remove the mold. But when it comes to using a bowl or any container that is only open on one end, it becomes a bit tricky. For this one, scoop the rice, making it compact as usual. Then cover with the serving plate and turn upside down. Patch the imperfect parts and clean up. That's it. Now go and wow somebody. As a bonus, here's a multi-story mold. Bye.